Hello, thank you for watching. This is the stainless steel band for the Fitbit Inspire 3. So, from the box, back of the box. So the band comes in one size, which is adjustable. So swap into the band. To adjust the size of the band, you actually have to lift this metal piece up and then it can slide back and forth. So I just have a little flathead screwdriver which you pick up, and now you can slide the back and forth to adjust the size to your wrist. So, and then just push it back down and it locks it in place. So I have to say the stainless steel has a nice feel to it compared to the plastic rubber that comes with the default band.